In the diagram below of isosceles triangle KLM, KM segment is congruent to LM segment, and angle bisectors KP, LN and MO are drawn and intersect at R. If measure of angle MKL is 40 degrees, find the measure of angle KRL. So we have to find this angle. This is our unknown KRL angle. So first we have given that segment KM is congruent to LM. We have isosceles triangle. KM is congruent to LM segment. This is given. So, because this is isosceles triangle, it means also that measure of angle MKL is the same like measure of angle MLK. So we can write that angle MKL is congruent to angle MLK, because we have given that this is isosceles triangle. So this angle is congruent to that angle. This side is congruent to that side. KM is congruent to LM side. So if we have given that measure of angle MKL is 40 degrees, it means, because these two angles are congruent, it means that measure of angle MKL is equal to measure of angle MLK, and it is 40 degrees. Also, these two angles are congruent and they have 40 degrees. And the measure is 40 degrees. Also, we have given that KP, LN and MO are bisectors. It means that they divide angle to two equal angles. So KP segment divide angle MKL to two equal angles. So if we have that MKL is 40 degrees, the measure of angle RKL, it will be half of 40 degrees. And the same will be with angle L, because LN divides angle L to two equal angles, because NL is bisector. It means that angle NLR is the same like angle OLR. And because we have here also 40 degrees, so we have two angles, 20 degrees and 20 degrees. So we can write that measure of angle MKR is equal to measure of angle RKL, and this is 1/2 of measure of angle MKL. So this is equal 1/2 times measure of angle MKL is 40 degrees, so this is 20 degrees. We have these two angles. So now we know that here we have 20 degrees, and here also we have 20 degrees. So when we have these two angles, and we know that measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees, we can find this angle. So the last point, the measure of angle KRL, what will be 180 degrees minus these two angles. 2 times 20 degrees. So this is equal 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. So this is equal 40 degrees. So we calculate that measure of angle KRL is 140 degrees.